your Sosovalue DEX to your Bybit or whichever exchange you use or you deposited from. So this is how to withdraw from your Sosovalue DEX trading platform to your wallet or your exchange where you deposited from. So you go to this right hand corner, the three dots right here, click on it. So you go to your portfolio, then on your portfolio, this is what you see. So you click on withdraw, click on the withdraw. So but before then, you will copy your address from your exchange, either your Bybit, your wallet. So you say withdraw, click on the place that say coin. So if you are withdrawing from USDC, then you copy USDC on Bybit. So I'll click on it. Then the chain, which is the network, so I'll click on Arbitrum. So you copy Arbitrum USDC from your Bybit. So that's what you do. So but before here, all you need to do, you transfer the coin to your funding wallet on your Sosovalue DEX. So how to do that? So you come to, just wait, and you go to transfer, click on the transfer, then you transfer your coin from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. So this is what you click right here, so you can see the EVM. So click on it. There you say from funding from spot to funding. So you click on max. So you confirm. So you wait patiently. So all the coin will go direct to the funding. So all the coin has go to the funding. So you go to your withdraw. So before you start clicking on the coin, USDC, then the deposit chain Arbitrum. So make sure you copy Arbitrum USDC from your Bybit or OKX or Binance. So that's the address you copy. So you paste the address here. So I'll paste the address here for my Bybit. You can see it. So I'll click on funding again so that it will show that you should withdraw. So I'll click on withdraw. So the withdrawal fee is $1. So I'll click on withdraw. So you wait patiently. So I'll confirm. So I'll input my fingerprint. So I'll put the fingerprint. So we proceed. So let's just wait. So it's sending right now. You can see it. So it's moving right now. So once it's successful, then you see it on your Bybit. So let's just wait patiently. So but please, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the bell notification. And also, if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up and share it to your community. It has transferred successfully. So but right now I'm waiting for the deposit right here on my Bybit. So let's just wait patiently when it arrives. So you can see right now it has come successfully. You can see it right here. So this is it. You can see it. 15 USD because they are taking their charges. So you can see it right now. So let's reload. So you can see it. You can see it has dropped. So this is how to receive it on your account or your Bybit and whichever exchange you use. So in all parts like this. So thank you. Peace out.